Hello guys, this is Arsenio Joseph and let me introduce myself through my autobiography. I have attended the baccalaureate degree in veterinary medicine in 2008, as well as I have attended a diploma in pharmacology, beside MBA with marketing major, and I have attended the first rank over the Arab Academy for Science and Technology, 2 nano degrees in digital marketing and data analysis, as well as many other certificates that related to business fields such as competitive strategies, game theory, system thinking, and so on. From professional perspective, more than 13 years in pharmaceutical sales and marketing, as well as 5 years in online marketing analytics mentorship. Today, we are talking about a very but crucial and important topic that is called data types. Is it very important to that extent? Why data types are very important to the marketing analyst? Imagine you are the marketing analyst for Amazon and you want to make different kinds of analysis to get insights about the mobiles on sales. The first and foremost step in doing any kind of analysis is defining the data. For defining the data, we have to ask 2 crucial questions, but they have features. The first question is fixed, and the second is dynamic. What is the mean of dynamic question? The dynamic question is determined upon the answer of the first one. Let's talk about more about it. The first question: can we make mathematical operations on the data we are facing, such as addition, subtraction, multiplying, division? Let's take that snapshot. If we try to add the types of these mobiles, the TCL plus Pro Max plus Samsung, can we reach to anything? Could we gain insights toward the addition of TCL, Pro Max, Samsung? Also, if we take the color of these mobiles, if we multiply silver to gold to blue, can we make any insight or reach to anything? For sure not. So if the answer of that question is no, then the data is called categorical or qualitative data, such as the type and the color of phone. As we said, the first question is fixed. Can we make mathematical operations on the data we are dealing with? So the second question is determined based on this answer. If the answer is no and we conclude that it is a categorical data, then the second question should be, can we order them from lower to higher? Let's show that if we try to order silver, gold, and blue, which will come first, which will come next, gold, silver, blue, blue, gold, silver. Can we arrange them from lower to higher? For sure not. This also cell phone carrier, ATT wireless, Net10 wireless. Can we order them from lower to higher? For sure not. But if we take such a kind of data, stop, what is this? It is numbers. So if we return back to the first question, the mathematical operation, wow, we can do a lot with it. 50 plus 100 plus 150. Stop, it's an illusion. It is a categorical data, as we cannot make mathematical operations upon it. And I have ordered them in another form to show it. How can we add or multiply these categories, 50 to 100 multiplied with 100 to 150? We will not gain anything. We will not reach to anything. But if we arrange them in that form as a sheet representing the mobile price that below 150, moderate 150 to $600, expensive more than $600, yeah, we can order them from lower to higher. Then the first question, about the mathematical operations, no, we cannot make a mathematical operations upon such a kind of data, not due to having a number, so we can make a mathematical operations. Take care, it's an illusion, but we can reorder them and categorize them for more demonstration. So if the data cannot be ordered from lower to higher, then it is called a nominal data. And if yes, such as the prices, sorry, then it is an ordinal data. If we can order them from lower to higher, then it is an ordinal data. But if we can't, then it is a nominal data, such as the color, such as these types of phone carriers, and so on. So we have finished the first part of that topic and the qualitative data. Let's return back to the first question about the mathematical operation. Can we make a mathematical operations with the data we have? If the answer is yes, let's try with the prices of the mobile 165 plus 120 plus 177. We can add them, we can multiply them, we can divide them, we can make mathematical operations upon them. Then if the answer is yes, we can make a mathematical operation, then it is called quantitative data, such as the prices of the mobile phone. So what is the second question? As we have said, the first question is fixed for all. Can we make mathematical operations upon them? If the answer is no, then it is a qualitative data. But if the answer is yes, then it is a quantitative data. What is the next? What is the dynamic question about the quantitative data? If we can make mathematical operations, then we have to ask ourselves, is it counted or measured? What do you mean? Then count with me. This is one mobile, the second mobile, the third mobile, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are dealing with integers, 1, 2, 3, 4. One mobile plus one mobile, then there are two mobiles. And if we add the third mobile, then we have 3 mobiles. Then we can count them. On the other hand, if we look at some kind of data, such as the dimension of the screen, 6.52 inch, 6.26 inch. Are these data integers? Could we count them? Actually, no, but we can measure them because they have decimals. We can add more 1 decimal, we can add more 2 decimal, 3 decimal, not integer, cannot be counted, but they have decimals, and these decimals have a lot numbers of decimals we can add of them. So what we can call them? If we can count these data, then it is a discrete data. Discrete means integer. Integer data, 1, 2, 3, 4 mobiles, a number of phones. It's an integer. It's a discrete quantitative data. But if we can measure them or even weighted, such as mobile screen dimensions, then it is a continuous quantitative data. Let's summarize what we have said about qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data, as we have said, it is a categorical data, not accepting mathematical operations and divided into nominal and ordinal. The nominal, such as colors, we can order them from lower to higher, and ordinal, we can order them from lower to higher. As it is said, its ordinal can be categorized into orders. And the quantitative data, the second type of data, accepting mathematical operations. Yeah, we can add these numbers of mobile, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And also we can add these dimensions of the screen, divide by their number to know the average dimension of the screen of these mobiles, and so on. So the quantitative data, accepting mathematical operations and divided into discrete and continuous data. This is an algorithm I have made for you that would facilitate you reaching to the kind of data you are dealing with. If you have a data, ask the first question, which is fixed. Does it accept mathematical operations? If the answer is no, then it is a qualitative or categorical data. And if yes, we can do mathematical operations on them, then it is a quantitative data. If it is a quantitative, then the second question, as we have said, is dynamic, as it is depend on the answer of the first question. So if it is no, we have a qualitative data. What should we ask ourselves? Can be ordered from lower to higher and vice versa also? If no, then it is a nominal data. We can order them, then it is a qualitative nominal data. And if yes, then we can order them, then it is an ordinal data. Let's shift to the other kind of the data. If the answer is yes, we have a quantitative data. Is it counted or measured? If it is counted, then it is discrete, integers. Integers, we count with integers, number of mobiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integers. Or measured or weighted, then it is a continuous, such as the screen dimensions have decimals. Congratulations, guy, we have landed on the cornerstone upon which we can do any kind of data analysis, and we have covered the crucial topic about different kinds of data. Thank you.